With global emissions consistently rising, it makes perfect sense that some people would want to reflect on their environmental impact. With all the focus being on the impacts countries and companies have on emissions, it can be hard to find where you fit into all of the chaos. In order to help you find simple ways to improve your lifestyle, I present to you a few habits that can allow you to reduce your carbon footprint. It can sometimes be overwhelming with all the methods out there, so let's start with the tasks that only require minute changes. Turn off the lights in rooms you aren't in. If possible, take the stairs instead of the elevator. Try not to turn on your AC as much. Instead, open a window. But if necessary, when the air conditioner is on, make sure windows are closed to avoid the coolness escaping. Power down or unplug electronics that are not being used. In order to avoid wasting water, take shorter showers, don't leave the water on while brushing your teeth, and do full loads of laundry only. Try to switch to LED lights, as in addition to lasting longer, they use 75% less energy than incandescent lights. Walk to stores or restaurants that are nearby. Use public transport or carpool with friends. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. Not only should you make sure you recycle cardboards and plastics, make sure to save batteries to be recycled at the correct location and buy certain objects such as phones secondhand. With all the simple stuff out of the way, here are some more difficult yet effective lifestyle changes. Invest in an electric car or even buy a hybrid if it is a better option for you. Avoid fast fashion brands at all costs. They may be cheap, but they most definitely aren't eco-conscious. Switch from a desktop to a laptop as they consume less energy. If flying is necessary, try to opt for non-stop flights. In addition to these life modifications, you can try to find environmentally friendly DIYs to help accommodate your lifestyle. This being said, here's a simple recipe for beeswax wraps that will help you replace the use of saran wrap within your home. For ingredients, you'll need beeswax, pine rosin, jojoba oil, a brush, pinking shears, and 100% cotton. Then, in a soap-safe bowl, add the beeswax, pine rosin, and jojoba oil. Next, you want to cut the fabric into the size of your choosing and use the pinking shears to clean up the edges. Repeat this step as many times as you would like. Lay the fabric down and melt the contents over a double boiler. Once completely melted, brush the mixture onto the fabric. If streaky, place between parchment paper and iron. And voila, beeswax wraps. I hope you learned something new from this video, and remember, be the change you want to see in the world.